we talk about molarity and molarity, then molarity depends on volume, molarity depends on the mass. That was our discussion point. Now today, in this case, we are going to talk about first concentration. We are going to talk about first concentration. What do you understand by the term concentration? Suppose we have taken two containers. Container number one, container number two. In these two containers, I have poured water. Here also 1 liter, here also 1 liter. In both the case, I have taken 1 liter solution, 1 liter water. Now I have added sugar. Now I have added sugar. Dear students, when I was adding sugar, I do this thing. Here I have added 2 spoons and here I have added 5 spoons. This is the figure A, this is the figure B. Now, in this case, you have to tell me which one of these will be more sweeter, A or B. Which one will be? B is the answer from us. Anybody? Vidhi is also telling B. So, you all are correct. Yes, B is the more sweeter than the A. Now, why do you say telling this thing? કે આ વધારે સ્વીટ છે ને આ ઓછું સ્વીટ છે એમ ખબર ક્યાંથી પડી? So your argument will be that કે sir here 5 spoon, here 2 spoon, here more amount of sugar, that's why it will be more sweeter. Now what is that? I can say that concentration of this is less, concentration of this is more. આનું concentration high છે આનું ને આનું low છે, that I can say. So dear students, with this we can come to know that, આના સાથે what we can come to know? We can come to know that the amount of solute will make difference. Amount of solute will make difference in the solvent. Okay, અને that amount in the solvent, the amount of solute in the solvent is known as concentration. The amount of solute in solvent is known as concentration. So today, first I have put here the definition of concentration. I have put here the definition of concentration. And what is the definition of concentration? The amount of solute in solvent. The amount of solute in solvent is known as concentration. તો કોઈને ડાઉટ છે આમાં? તો પહેલા કોઈ તમને ક્વેશ્ચન પૂછે, what do you understand about concentration? What do you understand about concentration? What will be your answer? Your answer is very simple. The amount of solute in solvent is known as concentration. Now dear students, concentration can be measured in the several ways. Several ways we can measure the concentration, and that I am writing here. According to the percentage of solute in solvent. Solute solvent માં લખવાનું છે, પણ according to percentage we can measure. According to only mole we can measure. According to only mole we can measure. As well as according to mole તો ખરું જ, બરાબર? And with mole we are going to take proportion. We are going to take proportion also. Proportion of solute, proportion of solvent also here. Okay, so this is our idea to go with. આ આપણી આઈડિયા છે જેનાથી આપણે અન્ડરસ્ટેન્ડિંગ કરવાનું છે. So dear students, only on the percentage type, only on the mole type, and only on the mole and proportion type, we are going to talk about the concentration. When we are talking about percentage, then percentage type also can be divided into three categories. Percentage type also can be divided into three categories. First, we are going to discuss W by W, means percentage weight of solute respect to solvent. Percentage of weight of solute respect to solution. Solvent nahi, solution છે. Okay, so percent of weight respect to solution. Then here percentage V by W. Sorry, V by V ले लेશું. पहला V by V. Percentage V by V. So what do you understand by percentage V by V? So percentage V by V will give you idea that, okay, just a second, huh? Okay. Percentage V by V means volume of solute with respect to volume of solution. Volume of solute with respect to volume of solution. Okay, very good. Sabad, who was that? Amal. Good. Here I will take percentage W by V. Percentage W by V. Who is going to explain that? What do you mean by percentage W by V? Anybody can explain that? Yeah, what do you understand by percentage W by V? Percentage of weight by volume. Deep, very good. Percentage of weight by volume, very good idea. Yes, Vandana is also telling weight by volume. So, hope that you understand this percentage. Good, very good, dear. So, you people are very nice in this case. So, here we have different idea. In different idea, percentage idea with weight by weight, volume by volume, and volume weight by volume. Now next one, in mole category, we have also two categories. One is known as mole fraction. One is known as mole fraction, and other is known as ppm. What do you understand by ppm? So with the ppm, my meaning is parts per million. What I am understanding about the ppm? So with the ppm, my meaning is parts per million. Mole of solute per million. So that is ppm. And here mole fraction, that is the very interesting topic we are going to discuss on. Now last one that you have already studied. You know about last one, mole per proportion. That means one is molarity and another one is molality. Actually, I have more idea than molarity and molality, but in your textbooks given only two, molarity and molality. If you will discuss regarding to the JEE and NEET, then you have to also remember the term normality. Actually, this normality you are going to study in practical, as well as formality is also there. So normality and formality, such measure of the concentrations you are going to study in practical. Okay, in our textbooks only given molarity and molality. Okay, so don't bother about that. Okay, so now I hope that you understand what is concentration. So concentration is nothing but the amount of solute in solvent. What is concentration? Amount of solute in solvent. Okay, now that can be measured according to percentage, according to mole, and according to mole and proportion of the, here what you will take. So here you will take volume and here you will take weight. So that is the difference. Now Percentage can be divided into three categories: percentage W by W, percentage V by V, and percentage W by V. In mole, you are divided into two categories: mole fraction is one, and parts per million is second one. In mole and proportion, you are going to discuss about the molarity and molarity. So this is the measures of the concentration. So hope that you understand this measure of the concentration. So now we are moving on the other part, and that is the calculation part of the lesson. And this calculation part will be more interesting with the previous one. Okay, so we are going to talk about today about first percentage measures of concentration. What is heading is percentage measure of concentration. And in percentage measure of concentration, first we are going to discuss about percentage W by W. And for the percentage W by W, the formula is W stands for W2. Now I have already explained it. Okay, what do you mean by W2? W2, on that day we are talking about number one is for solvent. Number one is for solvent. Number two is for solute. And note number means solution. This is the symbol measure. अगर तुम्हें नंबर वन आप्यो तो ओके W2 is a solute. बराबर solute नहीं solute. Okay, and solute of weight. Okay, weight solute. Oh, deep. Okay, fine. So W2 divided by W multiplied by 100%. This is the formula of percentage W by W. So what is the formula of percentage W by W? The formula of percentage W by W is nothing but the W2 by W into 100%. Any formula. Okay. So also you have to remember that W1 plus W2 is equals to W. Solute plus solvent is equal to solution. And here I have taken no symbol. That means this is the top of the solution. That means it is top of solution. Second one, percentage V by V. Now who is going to make this formula? તમારામાંથી કોઈ ફોર્મ્યુલા બનાવવાની છે percentage V by V. Put your skill. V2 by V multiplied by 100. Yes, deep correct. So V2 by V multiplied by 100%. Done. They are correct. Everyone are correct now. So V2 by V into percentage. Very good. Waiting for you. Okay. Now third. Percentage W by V is equal to. What will be the formula? What will be the, yes, very good son. W2 by V into 100%. Okay, so Vandan, very good. Chatting for you all. You are doing good job. Yes, Nanga. Yes, Amal. Yes, very good. Shabash. So these are the formula. These are the formula. Okay, further formula you write here. V is equal to V1 plus V2. V is equal to V1 plus V2. So in first case, we can go W1 plus W2 is equal to W. And in the second case, we can go V is equal to V1 plus V2. But third case, આ કેસમાં આપણે આવું કોઈ એડિશન લઈ શકીએ નહીં. But actually you can see, third case is W by V. Weight by volume is nothing but the density. So density measuring, yeah. So this is our topic. Okay, so now with the God name, we are going to talk the first ever sum of the lesson, not lesson of this topic. Okay, so I'm writing here 20 gram of acetic acid is added to 200 gram of water. Find its percentage W by W. This is the question. If 20 gram of acetic acid is added to 200 gram of water, so Rudra's answer is 11. Rudra no answer કેટલો આવ્યો છે 11. First formula will be applied. Diya Patel C11OH. Very good, yaar. You are so interesting person. Sanj is answer getting 10. Sabbath. Very good. So you are doing more thing. One is answer 12. Chalo, I am very impressed with you. Okay, you are going in advance. Okay, nice one. Sir, but what will be my answer? My answer, I am saying, પહેલા તો ઇન્ફોર્મેશન લખવાની છે. કોણ લખ્યું છે એસિટિક એસિડ? શામાં લખ્યું છે 20 એમાં એટલે 20 ગ્રામ થઈ ગયું. આ એડેડ ટુ Okay. So W2 20 grams. W2 20 grams. W1. Now W1 is nothing. W2 20 grams. W1 is 100 grams. 100 or 200. 200 grams છે W1. But મારા dear students, ફોર્મ્યુલામાં આપણે તો શું લેવાનું છે W. W એટલે weight of solution. એટલે અહીંયા W1 plus W2 થાય. W1 કેટલા છે 200 plus 20, that's why 220 gram. W is 220 gram થાય. W કેટલા થાય છે 220 gram. Okay, so that we are going to take. So now formula will be percentage W by W is equal to W2 by W into 100 percentage. That is equal to 20 divided by 220 multiplied by 100. 0 0 गया. चलो divide करो 200 by 22 करो 9.09 percentage. This is the answer. Now, where did you get difficulty? તમને difficulty ક્યાં આવી હતી? Is it so? Now you understand. What can you do? W1 આ બેને એડ કરવું પડશે. Okay, Parth. Okay, so I am giving you another one sum. I hope that you understand this. चलो બીજો સમ ટ્રાય કરો ફટાફટ હવે હે ને સેકન્ડ 90 ગ્રામ $90 grams of H2SO4 is added to 90 grams of H2SO4 is added to 500 grams of water. Okay, what is percentage W by W? Chalo, do this. Now this will be the challenge. Come on, let's check out. $50 grams of HNO3 is added to 100 grams of water. What is percentage W by V? Challenge some shell. Come on, who can do this properly? Come on, come on, come on. देखते हैं who can do this properly. So 6.25. So dear students, see the question is find molality of 20% W by W NaH solution. So पहला information लखो. According to this, W equals to 100, W1 100 minus 20 80, W2 20. We need molality, so we are finding first molality. For that we need molecular mass. So molecular mass find करियो. Formula में બધું put करियो. એટલે answer આવશે. So do this question. Come on, do this. Find molality of 80% weight by weight H2SO4. चलो फाइंड करो. नहीं. So here we have W 100, W1 20, W2 80, and M2 is equals to 98. Okay, then this formula W2 is 80 multiplied by 1000, then M2 is 98. So tell me what will be the answer of this? Nearby 40.41. 40.81. Okay, very good. The unit is molar. Okay, so like this now you are able to do. So I will explain another time. Yet who don't understand, find molality of 80% W by W H2SO4 solution. Very good part. For that purpose, first W is 100. W1 એટલે 100 માંથી 80 જાય તો 20. W2 એટલે જેટલા percentage આપેલા હોય તેને W કહેવાય. M2 H2SO4 માટે 2H plus S plus 4 times oxygen. 2 times hydrogen 32, 4 times oxygen. 2 plus 32 plus 16 plus 64. If you will mix this, then mass of molecular mass is. Now this is the question. Sir, W compulsory 100%. So my question to Dia, percentage કેટલા ઉપર કાઉન્ટ થાય? Percentage કાઉન્ટ કરવા માટે આપણે શું લઈએ? What do you mean by percent? Actually 110 नहीं 100. Okay, हाँ. Okay, no problem. So word છે per એટલે by. અને cent. આ cent નો મતલબ થાય 100. Per 100 એટલે total 100 હોય એવું કહેવા માંગે છે. Percent means per 100. Okay, એટલે નો મીનિંગ આવો થાય છે. ઓકે, એટલા માટે કમ્પલસરી 100. પર મિલિયન હોય તો Okay, another question to you all. બધાના માટે question છે. પર સેન્ટ ના બદલે પર મિલિયન હોય તો કમ્પલસરી શું લેવું પડશે W? પરસેન્ટેજ ના બદલે પર મિલિયન હોય તો મિલિયન લેવાના. ઓકે, એટલે PPM. વેરી ગુડ. એટલે PPM નો મીનિંગ શું થયો હવે? PPM. તો પાર્ટ્સ પર મિલિયન એટલે મિલિયન લેવાના, એમ લેવાના. ઓકે, તો મિલિયન એટલે 1000 કે 10,000? મને નહીં ખબર, બોલો. મિલિયન એટલે 1000 કે 10,000? English medium student, you should know. Okay, good. Very nice. Very nice. Good. તો એ મિલિયન, પાર્ટ પર મિલિયન એટલે એટલા લેવાના, પરસેન્ટ એટલે આટલા લેવાના. Okay, so hope that you understand this point. Per million એટલે 10⁶. Very good. Good knowledge. Very nice students. So I am very happy with you pupil. Always giving good answer and doing well.